When people say, oh, I forgot to eat today, I'm like, excuse me, what? Hello, hi. I figured I'll do something a little bit different. I am really into breakfasts. I just love eating, you know? That's just who I am. When people say, oh, I forgot to eat today, I'm like, excuse me, what? Like, how is that possible? Because food is literally the only thing that's on my mind, like all the time. Definitely a foodie over here. And breakfast is probably one of my favorite meals or my favorite time of the day because breakfast food is just so delicious. I'm definitely more into like the sweet side rather than the savory. I'd rather have a cake than chips. That's just who I am. But I figured I'll just document some of my absolute favorite breakfast foods because I do them like all the time. Obviously, there's like so many different ways of doing them. You don't have to necessarily add all of the things that I've added, but I have a lot of these ingredients at home, so I might as well just use it. A lot of it is healthy for you. Like I'll add greens to my smoothies. It gives you that extra boost to keep your immune system up and running. I don't want no corona over here, okay? We're fighting against the corona. Stay safe out there, people, because it's some hard times. Yeah, I hope you enjoy some of the foods that I'm about to show you, and if you do, please leave me a little like, thumbs up, subscribe, because there will always be something else coming out. I did just order Skims from Kim Kardashian, and there might be a review coming up on that one. Drop me a comment of what your favorite breakfast food is, and if there's something I'm missing out on that I didn't know, please let me know. Your girl is out here trying to eat delicious food, but also trying to stay fit, which is not going so well, but you know, we're getting there. Slowly. I don't know. But here are some healthy but delicious options for you. Packed with protein, complex carbs, because those are the good carbs, and some greens, vitamins. It's just overall just really good for you. So what is there not to like? Anyways, let's get into the food because I'm actually getting kind of hungry right now. It's hard.